know this is what you guys have been waiting for. How's it go, guys? Back with another video, and the video you guys have been waiting for the most. I know that for sure. Everybody's asking me, where's the Integra? Where's the Integra? It's time to put in work. So basically, all my suspension is ordered. I have most of it in the car because I have to press out some bushings. I'm headed to Carlos's house now to do that. I put the subframe on last night, and I was about to put on the rack and pinion, but then I forgot. Robert reminded me I need the power to manual bracket. So I ordered that last night, and let's see when it's gonna be here. So right now, actually, I have to pick up some degreaser and paint because I'm gonna paint the spindles and the trailing arms. So let's go do that now. Don't forget your mask. So this is what we're doing today. I'm doing my lower control arm bushings. I already did the compliance bushings, as you see. Lower ball joints, my hub and bearing, and then the rear trailing arm bushing. Thank you to All Motor CRX, aka Carlos, for letting me use his press and
this one,
making me clean his garage.
Let's put it up.
All right.
Do it with the hammer first. Put it in place. I don't want to do it sideways.
I mean, we got the hubs out, changed them out, you know, you can tell which one's the old ones. Put the lower ball joint in. Just put the new bearing in here. That one's smooth. Everything went smooth except the damn lower control arm bushings. We'll figure that out in a second though. Now we gotta change this one out.
What do you want to do with that one?
Yeah, this one's...
That we gotta hammer it out first.
Oh yeah. But back to the fun part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's go inside.
That's pretty centered. Oh, me love you long time.
There we go.
Oh.
That was butter.
Go, keep going.
You sure?
Yeah, 100%. Me love you long time.
There we go. That's the magic words. So we couldn't get the lower control arm bushings out. The front is done. I had to rethread one of these. I think it's this one. No, it's this one right here. Got to rethread it. But other than that, everything's pretty good. Wear bearing in, hub in, studs in. Just got the rear trailing arm bushing out. I'm about to do the same one to this one. Took the dust shield off. And I had to get the tool so I don't ruin the threads on my new, you know, on my new extended studs. I'm gonna leave those hubs and bearings because it's good. I'm gonna just paint them. They're really, really good.
Me love you long time. Anybody want to buy a OEM?
OEM from 96.
OEM from 90 what?
96.
96. Yo, I should have been though.
Hell yeah. Carlos, I really do appreciate you, bro.
Anytime, bro.
Thank you so much. I still have to come back and finish tomorrow, so I definitely will see you guys tomorrow. So far we pressed out the trailing arm bushings. The new ones are right there. We're gonna have to figure something out with the lower control arm bushings. The front spindle is basically already done. Come back tomorrow and let's see where we start at. Alright, back here again at Carlos's house. We were trying to fix my thread on one of the extended studs because they got messed up while we're trying to install it. We're probably gonna pop it out or put a new one back in or just leave it like that because it's only the first like 3 threads. So, but right now what I'm about to do since he's fixing that, because I'm not replacing this hub, I'm gonna whiz wheel it, clean it up, paint them. The front's basically done. We just need to do the lower control arms and we're good. Just being rough. where professionals don't try this at home. My baby.
No. Just answer. Thought we're busy.
Hello?
Baby?
No, not baby.
Who is it?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Working?
Huh?
Working?
That's not Carlos. Who is it?
It's me.
No, it's not.
Who's your daddy?
You're definitely not my daddy, dude.
I'm your daddy, bitch.
What are you doing?
What do you want?
Excuse me, I'm going to see what she wants on fucking public. Boy, whatever you said, I'm not gonna get it for you, you little motherfucker.
Give me yogurt.
Huh?
Give me yogurt.
What? I can't hear you.
Yogurt!
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye. Give me the hammer.
Oh shit. Every time I record, something bad goes wrong. Every time I stop recording, look. Man, all we do is paint it and we'll be good.
So you can clean that shit in 30 minutes.
Yeah, for real. Nah, I'm not worried about that. Good. Yes! Bro, yes.
Motherfucker.
This is what victory looks like.
Nigga, it's going in.
You're rude.
No, I just like to put it in. I don't like foreplay.
One in. Gotta get the other one now. Success number 2. So everything's done minus the small bushings on the lower control arm, which is these right here. We just don't know how to take them out, honestly. It was already a pain getting the big ones out. So that's the last thing I need for the suspension, really. Everything else is done. Thank you, bro. Big time.
I'm trying to think, what can we do to get that one out, bro?
I don't really know, bro. I did find somebody to get my lower control arm bushings out because we couldn't do it because we didn't have leverage on each side of the lower control arm. And this is basically the last piece I was waiting for so I can actually start putting the suspension together and put the car on the floor. This is what I was waiting for. It goes on the rack and pinion basically. This is literally the last piece I was waiting for. I didn't want to put everything together, then have to put the rack and pinion through, you know. And look what I picked up. Thanks to the homie Zach for these racing composite lug nuts. Helped out a lot. Do I need them right now? No. Was I going to pass up the deal? No. Also, picked up an ITR steering wheel. Mint OEM. I can't take the horn off, but it's a little much work right now. It does say made in Italy inside, everything. And all I have to do is basically either get a new horn or just paint it myself. My friend David, he sent me pictures. I'm like, it looks really good. When I saw it in person, it even looks better. Literally no marks, maybe like this small mark right here. But that's basically it. And that's it, that and the horn. But everything else is mint. The stitching is nice, no defects. It's just, now it's really time to put in work. I'm telling you, this car is gonna be done in the next 4 months. I just put a deadline for myself just so I can have some motivation and be like, all right, I can get this done. That's really the only reason I put a deadline. But thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.